The messenger of YaHuWaH encamps all around those who fear him and rescues them. O taste and see that YaHuWaH is good. Baruch is the man that takes refuge in him. Fear YaHuWaH, you his set-apart ones, for there is no lack for them who fear him. Who is the man who desires life, who loves many days in order to see Tob? Keep your tongue from evil and your lips from speaking deceit. Turn away from evil and do Tob. Seek peace and pursue it. The eyes of YaHuWaH are on the righteous, and his ears unto their cry. The face of YaHuWaH is against evildoers, to cut off their remembrance from the earth. YaHuWaH is near to the brokenhearted, and saves those whose spirit is crushed.